My phone's missing. Shiloh, where was the last time you saw it? This house. I'll just call it. What's your phone number? 000000000000001. Kids, don't call that number if it's real. You hear that? Yeah. Is there a dog in our house? Huh? I'll call your phone later. What? He stopped. Yeah. I'll have to call Tom and Jerry. Yeah.
We're sorry. Your call cannot be completed as dialed.
They're not picking up.
Check the number
They're
and
doing that on
dial again.
purpose. Well,
This is a
Shiloh,
recording.
I knew that transporter would come in handy one day. Yeah. This device will bring them right to us.
For the last time, Jerry, as we play, don't shoot him. Sorry. What? Are you feeling a little weird, Jerry? Yeah. Jerry! I guess I'm a one-man show now.
What just happened? Oh, there was a dog barking in our house. The problem is, we don't have a dog, so there must be a stray dog roaming around our house. And you guys don't want us to get rabies, so can you guys please catch it?
Have you ever considered that we didn't want to come? Have you ever considered that I don't care? Have you ever considered that we have lives of our own?
Have you ever considered that your life is all based around us?
Touche.
Well, since you guys are gonna be looking for the dog, me and Shaw will continue looking for his phone.
Come on, Jerry, let's go. Even though we don't have the skills or credentials to do this. Nice. Now let's hurry this up. Reruns of The Nanny comes out at 9, and I just want this to be over with.
Rover! Rover!
Domino!
Domino.
Rover!
Rover!
Hey Bob, I did that thing again where I thought it was the room. Continuing.
Go with it.
Come on, dog, where are you?
It's over there!
Dude, come on, dog. No, wait, I think he's still over there. He's gotta look properly.
No, it's over there!
Jerry, get up. My goodness. I'm embarrassed to look at you. Get your net ready. Okay. And go! Come on! It's just a cat pillow.
Wait a minute. I think I hear it coming from downstairs. You know why this dog's not appearing in front of us?
Because it's at Disney World.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jerry. No! It's because it's not used to us. It's not used to humans. That is why I say we should become the dog. Okay, let's do this.
Bark, bark.
No dog. Ah, a ladybug! Okay, somehow we gotta lure it into a trap. Need some sort of pet food.
Oh, I have pet food.
You do?
Yeah. In
You
my
know-
pocket.
Oh, alright. Yeah, doggy, doggy, doggy. Smell that scent, that nice aroma of dinner.
I think I hear something.
Whoa, it sounds huge. Hey, what kind of pet food is this?
Gigantic turtle food.
Jerry! Well, Jerry, that must have been your best, but also your worst idea ever.
Yeah.
And there it goes again.
Yeah.
Let's go get it. And I'm gonna miss my show. You know what, Jerry? I'm gonna try one last resort. You know what I'm gonna do with this? We're gonna play fetch with this, with that dog. Any dog cannot resist trying to give back its owner its ball. Alright, just gotta prepare myself.
Bark, bark.
Yeah. Jerry! Jerry, what are you doing? Jerry! Jerry, what is wrong with you? Jerry! Jerry, control yourself! Whoa! What's going on? Well, I don't know. I just threw the ball so like the dog can like get it, and then Jerry turned into a dog. I don't know.
Go, guys. We found Shallow's phone, by the way.
Yeah. Okay, fine, but like we still gotta find the dog.
We kinda. Well, here's the doggy. The dog barking was his ringtone. We didn't really realize it until like 2 seconds after you.
Why didn't you recognize your own ringtone? I have the memory of a goldfish. Oh yeah, Tom. Forgot. That dog's barking was my phone. You already said that! Why, I yelled it to both of you. No!
Knew this was come in handy one day.
Yeah.
Gonna stick it. Well, Shiloh. Hi! Did you hear that? It's a cat.
Her house. Let's go Trixie and Dixie.
Yeah, but Shiloh, I lost my phone too. Can you find it?
Sure.